Hey YouTube fam, want to hit 1,000 subscribers and get 4,000 watch hours to finally monetize your channel? In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to do it, step by step, with real, actionable tips. Let's dive in. First, let's get clear on what we're aiming for. To get into the YouTube Partner Program, you need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months, no guideline strikes and two-step verification turned on. Sounds like a lot? Don't worry, it's totally doable. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Pick a niche, something you're passionate about and that people are searching for. Whether it's tech, beauty, gaming, or how-to tutorials, stick to a theme to build a loyal audience. Focus on making content people want to watch till the end. That's how you rack up watch hours. Use a strong hook in the first 10 seconds. Keep your editing tight, your visuals clean, and your audio clear. Use keywords in your title, description, and tags. Create custom thumbnails that stand out. Think like a viewer. What would you click on? Tools like TubeBuddy or Vidicue can help you find trending keywords. YouTube rewards consistency. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, stick to your schedule. Your audience and the algorithm both love it. Don't just post and pray. Share your videos on Instagram, Reddit, Facebook groups, wherever your target audience hangs out. Ask friends to watch and comment. Every view counts in the beginning. Always ask people to like, comment, and subscribe, but make it natural. Also, reply to comments, pin helpful ones, and use YouTube's community tab to stay connected when you unlock it. Check your YouTube analytics. See what's working. Which videos get the most views and longest watch time? Double down on that style or topic. Live streaming is an underrated way to boost watch time fast. Even 10 viewers watching for an hour equals 10 hours. Plus, it's a great way to connect in real time. Growing on YouTube isn't easy, but if you stay consistent, focus on quality, and connect with your audience, you'll hit that 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour goal in no time. If you found this helpful, give it a like, drop a comment with your channel name, and don't forget to subscribe for more YouTube growth tips. See you in the next one.